How to fix automatic brightness Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on a device and launch Instagram just to make sure you have an updated version of the Instagram application. So let's search for Instagram, and as you can see, we have an update available. So you can simply tap on update and start updating. Now after this, what you can simply do is launch the settings application on a device and scroll down to see the option of display over here. So let's tap on display, and as you tap on display, scroll down to the option of brightness level. As you tap on brightness level, you can see the option of automatic brightness, which has been toggled on, that adjusts the brightness to ambient light to save battery. So all you need to do is just toggle off this option, and you can just adjust the brightness level as you feel is more convenient for you, and this way also you'll be able to fix that automatic brightness on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.